All right, listen to this, guys. Over 50,000 emails sent, and these are cold emails. So I know many people think sending 50,000 cold emails or even more would get you blacklisted or land you straight in the spam folder. But what if I told you it is actually possible to reach thousands of prospects every single day safely and effectively if you know the right strategy? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send 50,000 cold emails and even more step by step using GoHighLevel without hurting your sender reputation or burning your domain. So if you're ready to scale your outreach and land in more inboxes, let's dive in. But right before we do that, I want to give a shout out to GoHighLevel for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, GoHighLevel, for sponsoring this video. And if you don't know what GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform designed for businesses and agencies to manage leads, automate follow-ups, and run campaigns. So it combines tools like email and SMS marketing, landing pages, funnels, pipelines, and appointment scheduling. So all in just one simple dashboard. So instead of you paying for multiple tools, GoHighLevel lets you automate your sales and marketing workflows and scale your outreach effectively. So if you want to try GoHighLevel today, I'm going to be leaving the link down for you, giving you free access to GoHighLevel. So check the link below to get started today. Now let's dive into the video. All right, so the first step we have to take is to set up a sending domain, and we are going to be warming up our email sender. Right now, for you to be able to register a dedicated domain, I basically recommend you make use of a brand new one, and it's simple for you to create a new one. All you have to do is to come over to Google Workspace, and I recommend this. Why? Because I've seen the work. All right, and so many people who are doing this so well, they make use of Google Workspace. All right, so you want to create your free account, and one thing about Google Workspace is that you have access to use it for quite an amount of time before you might decide to go for a paid version. So it means that you're going to be starting off for free, and for these you'll be making use of the free domain, and you don't have to pay money for it. All right, until you're satisfied, and within the days being given to you, if you're happy with what you're getting, then you can now go for a paid plan. You can also warm up your domain and inbox, okay, by doing this manually. All right, and you can use free tools like email warm up to warm up your domain. Now we are warming up our domain, all right, so that we can start getting tractions immediately we start sending our emails. So that is all you have to do concerning setting up your own domain and email warm up. It is easy, but trust me, it is so essential. Now once you've been able to do this, okay, it's simple. If you want me to create a video on this, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try and make a video teaching you how to set up your own domain and also warm up your email manually so you can start sending thousands of cold emails effortlessly. Now the second thing you have to do, the second steps I take, all right, is to clean up my list. Look at this, guys. See, the fact that you have a list, all right, doesn't really mean you will have entirely free clean list. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are constantly, all right, validating your list. Why? Because people can decide to throw up their emails. People can decide to bury their emails, and you might not know. And once you begin to send your cold emails to people who are not who are not on Gmail, or who are not using that email again, it will tell on your campaigns. So you want to constantly warm up your emails, and I make use of tools like Exact Verify. They are free tools. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. All right, but what you're trying to do is to give access to those tools to help you, all right, tell the nature of the leads that you are trying to import into GoHighLevel. So I recommend you clean up your list, and it is so easy. For instance, right here on Exact Verify, all you have to do is to go ahead and choose, all right, the email list you want to claim, import it into the software, okay, or into the tool, and automatically it begins to help you validate the emails. And when it is done, you would get you'll be getting a report that shows you that everything is well good, and here is the bad ones. You can dispose the bad ones and you can keep the good ones. Now once you are done with that, it's simple. Next, you have to come over to GoHighLevel. Like I said, create your free account on GoHighLevel, and once you are here, you should be having a dashboard that looks like this. And right from here, the first thing I want to share with you is how to import your leads into GoHighLevel. So remember, you've been able to clean up your list. So the clean list you have, you want to import it into GoHighLevel. So for you to import your list into GoHighLevel, all you have to do is to come over to the section right here, okay, and you can can see this one that says import contact. It is just a small icon. You want to click on this one right here, and from here, guys, now just go ahead and select where the email list you downloaded from Exact Verify from your computer. Click on it, and you see you're going to be having it already imported into GoHighLevel. Now go ahead and map out the details. Now while you are mapping is that you're going to be having so many details based on your leads. Okay, so you want to map the email section to the email section on GoHighLevel. You want to map the name section to the name section on GoHighLevel. That is why you are mapping, so that you don't have a mixed data. Now once you are done mapping, now you want to click on proceed. Now this is just to show beginners how it's being done. This is the basic level of how you can send thousands of emails effortlessly using GoHighLevel. All right, so once you have it already imported, that is good for you. Now you have to come over to this marketing section, and you're going to be creating your email campaign by coming over to the email tab. Okay, click on the email tab, and you can see right here, this is where you want to click on. This is the button you're going to be clicking on to create a new campaign. So click on create new campaign, and from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and write your code email. So write the thing you want to send to somebody, write whatever thing you want to put into somebody's DM, put it right here. Now for you to be able to come up with something much more good, okay, I have a free tool, all right, down below that would help you. Okay, that would help you detect if your emails are going to be landing over in the spam folder, or they are going to be going in the inbox. Because so many times when we send emails, not necessarily that the email campaigns or the our domain is faulty. Sometimes it might be the email itself you are sending. If your email is not going to be aligning with Google's policy, trust me, it's going to be falling into the spam folder. So you can use those tools. I'm going to be leaving it now right here on the screen. You can use those tools, all right, to verify or to check the email body you are trying to send to people's DM. It will tell you if this is going to be a good email to send, or maybe you should go ahead and change in some things. Now once you are done with that, you're going to proceed with clicking on save and schedule. Now right here on this tab, now this is the reason why I recommend that you set up your domain much more earlier before you start using GoHighLevel. So once you have your own domain already set up, okay, now you can put it right here. You can see where it says sender email. Now you want to fit it right here. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be using mine because I don't want to share it publicly. All right, I'm going to be using something random, and you can see, because this is not verified, you can see the error message that we are getting. So once you are able to start up your own domain, okay, and you are ready to start firing emails, I want you to come over to GoHighLevel and input that email right here. Now once you put it right here, you want to go ahead and verify, because right here on GoHighLevel, you need to give GoHighLevel the permission to use this email to start sending your code emails. So once you are able to verify this, guys, you are ready to start sending code emails. Now the next thing for you to do is to put in the sender name. Very easy. What name are people going to be seeing when they are reading your message, or when your message gets into their inbox? What name is going to be appearing? It should be your name, it should be your company's name, it can be anything entirely, and it is actually optional. If you don't want to make use of it, you're good. If you want to, I recommend you do that. Now the other steps here are just basic, and they are going to be based on user settings, what you want for yourself. Now for me, the one thing I mostly prefer, all right, when sending out my code emails is that I like it when I can resend my code emails when somebody doesn't actually open it the first time. Now what do I mean? Right here on GoHighLevel, let's say you send out thousands of emails, and maybe thousands again are not opening up your emails. You can resend that message on automation. All right, it's all you have to do is just tell the software, tell GoHighLevel you want to resend the same message to the same people that did not open it, and you can select that from this option right here. So you can choose how many hours should it take before GoHighLevel sends out another message to people who have not opened your message. For me, I love making use of 12 hours, because within 12 hours, if you have not opened my message, you're going to be getting another message from me. All right, so I want you to open up my message. That is why I'm doing this. So you can set it up right here on GoHighLevel. So trust me, if you're looking at the best tool to start sending out your code emails, I recommend GoHighLevel. I've been using this for a while now, and the result has just been mind-blowing. And you can see from our screen, everything has just been so good. And thank you so much, GoHighLevel, for sponsoring this video once again, because it has been an amazing one lately for me. I tell you, customers has been happy, client has been really happy with their jobs, and me myself, I get to benefit using this tool. So I recommend this to beginners who are trying to send out their cold emails. All right, so regardless of why you're sending, maybe you're trying to pitch a service or you're trying to sell something to people, cold email is still alive, and if you do it rightly, you're going to be getting the massive result from it, guys. So this is the basic step you need to take to start sending cold emails directly from GoHighLevel, a tool, a platform that I recommend for beginners. So if you want to see more tutorials on this, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to pull out more tutorials detailedly on GoHighLevel and see what we can do using this brilliant tool. Thank you so much once again, GoHighLevel, for sponsoring this video, and to my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and expect more videos to come. Bye.